Hey everyone, I'll just give a quick tutorial of business analytics using a Raspberry Pi. I set up a Python script to do the extraction, transform, and load of a Google Analytics API, and let's get into it. Okay, so first, bring this over here, show you the terminal. So this is available on GitHub. We're going to go into Python Analytics and then just show you a quick picture of what the report looks like. So let's open up 2020-36 report. Chrome 2020-36 report. This is an alias I created for Chrome. This is a plot leaf funnel diagram. It shows 41 unique page views for this week, 8 non-bound sessions, and then 4 unique events, which is my conversion. I set up the conversion and everything in the last blog article, so this will be just the analytics portion. Okay, so for proof of concept, we need to remove both of these reports, and then we'll generate them from scratch. Okay, so the first thing I did was set up Stitch. So let's go over to Stitch. And I started out with Stitch data and just connected my Google Analytics to an S3 bucket. You can see this runs on a 6-hour schedule. The last time it synced my Google Analytics with my S3 bucket was 2 hours ago. You can go into the S3 bucket and see all of these files that were created from Stitch. From here I decided to set up a Python project to pull the data from the S3 bucket. So let's just look at the file structure real quick. I think you guys can see that. Let's see. Yeah. So I have a main file here, and then an inquirer that asks the year and date, an extract file that extracts from the S3 bucket, a load file that loads my file that I'm pulled from S3 bucket as local file into the Python program. Then there's a transform, which creates a data frame and does all the transformations I need, and then there's a plot. And plot creates the eventual funnel chart that you saw in the beginning of the video. So let's just run this real quick. 3 main. So it pulled the latest file, and then the year that we want is 2020, and the week that we want is week 36. And it's running, and then it created the file, and now we can type in Chrome 2020-36 report. And here indeed is the chart that we saw earlier. And that's it.